Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you watch my videos for the first time, do hit the subscribe button, that red color button which says subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's get started with today's video now. So today we're gonna talk about my second Instagram shopping. Yes, so I shopped from Instagram store again. So the store called TS Cosmetics. Yes, the store name is TS Cosmetics, and there you will find a lot of pressed glitter which really attracts me. And then I went to their store and I just go through their page. So they have face serums, they have eyelashes as well. So I ordered a lot of things. Yes, so and also recently they have launched their website. I'm gonna leave the link for their website and name over here and the link in the bottom bar. Make sure you check that on. Yes, so let's get started. So what I ordered from there is some pressed glitters, face serum and eyelashes. Yes, I'm gonna show you each and everything one by one. Yes, so firstly we're gonna talk about this pressed glitters. It comes in this kind of a cute black cardboard packaging. It's really tiny and cute. It's really cute. So on the front part it says pressed glitters by TS, and it says no fall, no glue, no mess, water resistant formula, and it's by TS. It's TS Cosmetics, and it has an eye with a lot of different colors pressed glitters. Yes, so yeah, this is how it looks like, and at the back of it it has all the instructions how to use it and all, and there it says the name of the pressed glitter. Yes, the shade of the pressed glitter. So firstly I'm gonna show you up is the shade Magic. So this is the thing in which they sent us this pressed glitters. So I'm gonna open it up, and once we open this it has a lid on it. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. This is the shade Magic. Let me just swatch it. I'm really excited, man. Ooh. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh man, this is really good. So there is no need for glue, and there is it's really not messy as well. So this is the shade Glitter. It's beautiful. It has a glimpse of like green, blue, white, silver, these kind of shades in it. So as you can see, this is a really pretty shade. So yes, this is the first shade, and the shade name is Magic. And the next shade we have is this white gold. So I'm gonna show you up that. So this is the shade white gold. So let me just swatch it up for you. Oh man, it's so pigmented. So I'm gonna swatch it. Oh man, this is the shade white gold. I really like it. I really like this shade as well. It's really pigmented. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so this is the shade white gold. I'm really obsessed about these pressed glitters, really. And the next shade we have is this gold. A lot of gold. So this is the next shade we have is this the gold shade. Let me just swatch it. It's so pigmented. So this is the swatch. So pretty. I love this golden shade. I really can't wait to use these shades, man. Really, it's so pigmented, so beautiful golden shade. And the next shade we have is this diamond. So this is the shade Diamond. Let me just swatch it up for you. Oh, pretty again. I really can't get over these pressed glitters. They are so smooth and it's like so beautiful. So this is the shade Diamond. It has a shade Silver as well, but I really like this shade Diamond. And the next and the last shade we have is this Bay. So this is the shade Bay. Oh god, this is a kind of a rose gold color. They have rose gold as well, but I like this shade. It's a peachy golden rose gold. Wow, it's just all the shades are like so beautiful, so smooth, so easy to apply. There is no need for other, like you can apply it with the fingers. There's not that thing. You have to apply it with the brush only. You can apply it with the fingers. Wow, I'm all glittery. So the price of these pressed glitters is rupees 300. Yes, only rupees 300. Yes, and you will get this much of the quantity. It's 8 gram of the product. And so next we're gonna talk about their eyelashes. So firstly, it comes in this kind of a packaging, really good, and it's really easy to store. It has solid packaging. Once we're gonna open it up, we have the lashes. This is the Mink eyelashes. As you can see, you can adjust it according to your eye. So as you can see, this is so beautiful, this is so natural, and this is the 3D Mink eyelashes. As you can see, it's really beautiful. These 3D Mink eyelashes, like, so beautiful. It's so natural as well, so natural, you can see. And this retails for 1050 per eyelashes. Yes, so yeah, 1050, worth it. Yes, it really works, man. I loved it. And also, these 3D Mink eyelashes and Mink eyelashes is 100% cruelty free. Yes. So next we're gonna talk about their facial serums. So this is their silver face serum packages. So it says TS Cosmetics, and also it says 24K silver elixir. Yes, so it comes in this kind of a cute silver pouch. Yes. So once we're gonna open this up, so this is how the bottle looks like. It says TS Cosmetic 24K silver serum, and it says infused with 24K silver leaf face serum. So yeah, this is the packaging, and there it says how to use it and all. So let me just open it up and show it to you. You can see the silver leaves, guys. See, this is the dropper. We have the dropper as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand right here, and let's see how is it. So soothing, guys. It really soothes up. So you can use this serum as your makeup base, you can use it as a face serum, which is it, and you can use it under your makeup, you can use it in the day, in the night, whatever you feels like. If your eyeshadow, your concealer dries out, you can simply put a drop and you can use it. So there are so many uses of these elixirs, guys. So this TS Cosmetics silver elixir priced at 1350 rupees. Yes, and now recently they have launched their website, so there are pretty good offers going on. I'm gonna leave the link in the bottom part for their page and for their website as well, so you can check out there. They have a lot of offers going on. They have some special discounts as well on their website launch. So now my second Instagram shopping is like, for me, is like a really big thumbs up, and I'm really excited to use these all products. I did not even use it, I swatched it in front of you. I really like all the products, and yes, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this product with my own money. Yes, and also they have launched their highlighters and some other products as well. I didn't got it through. I'm surely gonna buy them and we're gonna review on my channel. So yes, this is it for today, guys, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.